What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make the Sailor's Bounty and place it down and eat it. This is the 50 minutes, 45 health, 45 stamina food. It is incredible, one of the best in the game, and you need a serving tray and to be able to place it on a table, so I'll show that and also show how to make it. So as you can see, you need this food preparation table first, and you need a certain amount of things to craft it. This is under crafting right here. You'll need iron, fine wood, leather, and the workbench. And then once you craft it, you'll see this Sailor's Bounty pop up if you've cooked serpent meat before. If you've collected all these ingredients before, then you'll see it pop up. So basically 5 cooked fish, 4 thistle, 2 cooked serpent meat. So serpent meat is pretty easy. You kill a serpent, you get its big meat, and you need one of these heavy cooking stations with the iron hooks. You can cook it like that. And then cooked fish, so you'll need to use your fishing rod and some bait, and then you can catch fish like this perch or this trollfish. So you'll see you'll need to prepare these into raw fish first. So I have 2 and 3 of these, so I'm going to turn these into raw fish. Turn it into, I need 5 raw fish. And thistle you can get in the Black Forest and in the meadows, I believe, but mostly in the Black Forest. Okay, so you're seeing the fish are turning into raw fish right there. Okay, cool. I have 5 raw fish now, and I need to turn that into 5 cooked fish. So we'll just put this on the cooking station, and then we'll be able to turn it into Sailor's Bounty. So yeah, I also have this serving tray right here. You get this, and you get this Seafarer's Herbs from the Swamp Merchant. So I have another video on the Swamp Merchant. Oh, this is all done cooking now. But that is one important ingredient, these Seafarer's Herbs, that you don't just get. You need to buy them from the merchant, so I'll show you on the map where I found mine. But you do need to explore swamp biomes until you see this icon pop up. And you'll be like maybe this far away on the map when you'll see it pop up, even if you haven't explored the area, and then you can just walk into the area and find the merchant. You'll know where to go at least, so just keep checking out new swamps and you'll find the swamp merchant, and you need those gold coins to buy this to buy the serving tray and to buy the Seafarer's Herbs. So now I can craft the Sailor's Bounty, so I'm going to make this. You can see we have it, and now I have my serving tray, so I'm going to walk up to this huge table. I'm going to equip this by right-clicking on it. Now I can click on this and place it down, or right-click on the table rather and place it down. Then we'll see Feasts, and we have Sailor's Bounty, and now we can place this on the table, and we can eat it. I've already pressed E on this, and I've eaten this. You see 1 out of 10 is left, but in the bottom right, I have it already active. So 39 minutes, I've already used 11 minutes of it, and you can just keep coming here and eating more of it. Last 50 minutes, and it gives you 45, which is pretty solid. So that is how you get it and place it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.